Now, this arrangement has been done due to Omicron variant. Now just see, this is a Rishabh. I am audible. Board is clear. Okay. Now this one is also a radius. This is known as OB and OA. Both are radius and this is known as a chord. AB is chord. Then OA and OB is radii. Plural of radius is known as a radii. Okay? Plural of radius is known as a radii. AB is a chord. AB is chord. And AC, which is passes through the center. AC is also chord, which is longest chord of a circle. AC, which passes through the center. AC is diameter and longest chord of a circle. Longest chord of a circle. Diameter as well as longest chord of a circle. Okay? Now, when from the center to the chord, a line is drawn perpendicular. OP perpendicular on AB. Then chord will divided equally into parts. Chord will divided equally into parts. If OP perpendicular to AB, so chords divided equally into parts. That is, therefore, AP equal to PB. This is the basic concept of a circle. This is the basic concept of a circle. Okay. So write down please. Now, now again we will draw a circle and see the position. Center. This is a diameter OAB. AOB is a diameter and okay. Now, from one end of diameter touches the circle and join another end, it becomes a 90 degree. This is the property which we can say Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle, that is or 90 degree. Angle ACB. So angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Angle ACB equal to 90 degree. My voice is clear, dear student? Other student is not speaking. Be serious. Okay, please respond to me. Okay, now after that, angle AOB, it becomes 180 degree. This one is 90 degree and this one is 180 degree. Now I am going to give a concept of cyclic quadrilateral which we need. Now may I rub this portion or not? First you write, because with the help of this property we are going to solve the problem. Before basic concept, problem can't be solved. Okay? So may I rub this? Hello. Piyush, Anjali, Akars, Ankit, Dhirendra, Ayush, Divyanshu, Dinesh, Harshit, Dheeraj, Himanshu, Nimesh, Om Prakash, Digambar, Ayush, Pratyush, Ronit, Sanskriti, Sohani, Sugandh, Supriya, Surabhi, Sushant, Tanu, Tripti Anand. First you write from the board. May I rub this portion? Okay. Now, just wait. Now, same base between the same parallel angle of are same. It means same base between the same parallels which I am going to draw. I am going to draw a circle. This one is center. Suppose AB is same base and touches the circle. ABCD. Then this angle and this angle will same because same base. Okay. Now, angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Reason will be this angle and this angle will same angle on the same segment. Angles on the same segment. Angle on a same segment. Write down angle ACB. It means angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Both are same. Region will be angle in a same segment or angle on the same segment. Okay? Now, if a circle is drawn and vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circle, that is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral because angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay? So, we will say if the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circle, that is A, B, C, D, lie on the circle, so this quadrilateral become a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic this is known as a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of opposite angle must be equal to 180 degree. This is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. This angle plus this angle, angle A plus angle C 180 degree, angle B plus angle D 180 degree. This is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so I request all the students, please write down from the board. Okay? Write down please. Angle on the same segment of a circle are equal and opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral must be equal to 180 degree. Must equal to 180 degree. Okay? Completed? Now, may I rub this? Okay. Now next, this is the concept of a standard 9 level which we will use for in solving the problem. Okay. Now, see. I am going to solve a question. So listen. Question is that find the length of chord. Find the Find the length of chord find the length of chord find the length of chord which is at a distance of which is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 13 centimeter of radius 13 centimeter. This is the question. Of radius 13 centimeter. Okay. First we will draw a circle whose center is O and find the length of the chord. What will be the length of the chord? We will have to find out. Right? So let us, here is AB is a chord. A and B. OA and OB is a radius. Right? Now, which is at a distance of chord is, means this one is 12. It will be automatic perpendicular, dear student. From center, a line is drawn from center to the chord. It will be automatic perpendicular. Okay? So length of chord is, distance from center to the chord is 12 cm. And the length of radius is 13 centimeter. It will also be 13 centimeter. Both are 13 centimeter. Now, we will have what is the length of AB? Then length chord AB equal to what? We will have to find out. We know that from the center to the chord, a line is drawn which will be perpendicular and OP so OP is answer since OP perpendicular on chord AB. So AP equal to PB means chord divided equal into parts. This chord equal to this chord. AP equal to PB. AP equal to PB. Okay. Now we will take a triangle OPB. Board is not clear. Supriya, Himanshu, board is clear or not? Okay. Now board is clear. Right? Then we will take a triangle OPB. Now in triangle OPB. In triangle OPB. By Pythagoras theorem we will have to use OB square equal to OP square plus PB square by Okay, just wait. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So we will write OB. OB is 13 square equal to 12 square plus PB square. Now PB square plus 144 equal to 169. Then OB, the length of OB is 13, 13. And OP, in place of OP we will write here 12 plus PB square. Now PB square plus a square of 12 is 144 equal to 169. Now PB square equal to 169 minus 144, it becomes 25. It becomes 25. Then here will be PB square. So PB square equal to 5 square. Here, therefore PB equal to 5 centimeter. It means this length PB from this point to this point it becomes 5, and OP is bisector, so it will be also 5. So length of chord AB equal to twice into PB, that is 2 into 5, it becomes 10 centimeter. AB equal to 10 centimeter, right? The length of the chord is 10 centimeter. The length of the chord is 10 centimeter. So all of you write down. Any doubt, anyone, please? Have you any doubt? Dear student, if you are facing a problem, then you are free to ask. Write down. Okay? Tell me, may I rub the board? Okay. Write down. Write down. May I rub the board? When you will write from the board, then. Okay? Now I am going to rub the board. Now, सुप्रिया कंप्लीटेड? हेलो, आप लोग लिख लिए? ओके, now next question next, listen. Next question is, next question, the radius of a circle is 13 centimeter and the length of one of its chord, one of the radius of a circle 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and the length of one of its chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance from chord, find the distance of the chord from the center of the chord from the center. Again I am reading here, listen. The radius of a circle 13 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Now see the figure. Here is a circle. This one is center O and AB is a chord. AB is a chord. OA is center and OB is center. Now listen, radius is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. And length of one of its chord is 24. Total length is 24. Now find the distance from center to the chord. Means OP equal to what? We know that when we will draw perpendicular from center to the chord, then chord equally divided into two parts. Chord equally divided into two parts. Construction. Draw OP perpendicular on AB. So AP equal to PB. Therefore, total length AB, it will also 50-50, that is 12 cm, and it will also be 12 cm. ये दोनों इक्वली दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाता है. Then PB equal to 12 centimeter and AP equal to 12 centimeter, because the length of chord was 24 centimeter. It will divided equally in two parts, so PB equal to 12 centimeter. We will have to find OP equal to what? OP equal to what? It means the distance from center to the chord is what? How much? Right? Now we will write in triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. OB square equal by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, OB that is equal to 13 square. OP we will have to find out. PB is 12 square. Now OP square plus 144 equal to 169. 13 square equal to OP square plus 12 square. Now OP square plus 144 means a square of 12 is 144 equal to 169. So OP square equal to 169 minus 144, that is 25. OP square equal to 25. Now we can write OP square equal to 5 square. Square cancel. OP equal to 5 centimeter. So distance from center to the chord is, so distance from center to the chord is 5 centimeter. So distance from center to the chord is 5 centimeter. Okay. So distance from center to the chord is 5 centimeter. Write down. This is board model question. So dear student, please write down from the board. Okay. All students, please, not only one or two, all students are requested to please write down the answer of this question from the board. Or any doubt you are free to ask. Have you any problem related to this question? Tell me. Any problem? Okay. Hello? Hello?